Okay, so this is gonna be my explanation of my PA. What I do wrong. I try to figure it out what I did wrong, but I did something wrong for sure. My mistake and everything. Okay, so at first I was in here, going back to my analysis again. Why did I wanted to take another trade from there? So during the time, maybe I could cut this. What's going on? Yeah, cut that bar. Aha. So it doesn't distract me. Why do I take that trade from there? Maybe I need to use the replay a lot. Okay, so basically, okay, then I finished holding this, got my profit, very nice, love it. Um, and some reason I really want to buy this, like that feeling that what I did. So going down, okay, going here. Just explain real quick. This is the last buyer, pretty pretty very high um, volume, but both volume are very high. So this transaction supposed to be the buy in here. But the issue is, I have another issue is stock is so different from maybe I didn't draw the line very nicely. I think that's the area that I did. So draw the line. Uh, so send out a release over here, and this is the area of the trap. What I believe. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, this is a trap, and then this is type 3 trap. I will just put 3. So it came here and released the area. I took my profit from yesterday of January 9, and today I wanted to go for the buy again. I think this is an issue that the mistake that I have was I went to buy here too early, and the timing is all this time from this area about too early. And also I went to the 15 position time frame, and I want to get a better price, but it came to here, and then I just bought it from here. And I believe there's my stop loss that I want really to lose, and then all this area come here. And at the end of the 12 a.m. of this area, this buyer came in, and I try not to talk like mean and stuff. Like I try to calm down and understand why this buyer. I seen this all the time. Why the buyer always come at the end of the market, about to close at 1 p.m., which is the 4 o'clock of this area, for for the stock market. Okay, let's see. What is this? Oh, yeah. So yeah, basically all over the place from here. Um, I felt I felt the analysis is good, and really made me realize that I should consider um, this as, even though don't have a volume, but imagine they do have a volume, because behind the scheme uh, of the area after, I believe, not believe, throughout my, again and again with this after thing, they do have volume behind, and and now I notice this is very useful behind of this, um, which is I had to stop drawing. Well, I guess okay, yeah, it's very useful because and every time I've lose any trade, or maybe I look back at the trade, um, it's very different from the forex and the stock market. And the stock market, they always open from here and close here. and this is all area behind the scene. It could possibly could use that point to go back up from there. That's what I believe. Believe in my trial and error and experience from it, and it's great to say out, um, and also express my feelings too, because I kept losing in the game of this stock market, and try not to lose all the time and really understand. And that's why it's very tough love that I'm going to do a demo trade. And yeah, the timing was not so great taking a trade from here. That's my mistake first. And what good thing that I improve is scratch out my trade if my trade doesn't work out, to go back here to take the profit. That was my plan as first, and that was very good plan to do it. And because I was looking at the risk reward, it was great, not bad, 1.37 with the plan in there. But I think it was the bad part. It was I was holding it. Um, how you say it? How do I play back? Is it possible to play back? Would be great in play back. No, no, no. I don't need all that. Maybe use it. How can I use it? Yeah. Uh, yeah. I didn't hold it. That's the point. I didn't really hold it until I until I play out very quick. Oh, it did went down. Oh, cool. Awesome. I should. Oh, I think that's the next step. I need to train myself to do that. Okay. Yeah, they play out very well of this after of that, and yeah, broke through. Okay, it did broke through, and all these is very important too, because after this, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, either one. Now I know it's very important. Either this guy, very important to come here, and anytime we break it down. Um, yeah, so also important. Might as well record it so I could able to remember to go back and recap these after things when they start. It's very important to know it, because you never know, I will need it. Some tough love, but I was always ignoring that thing, but I had to remember that when I need to not to ignore where I'm at. So the whole move is still down. Reason why I wouldn't still want to go to a bias, because it's still, this is the P area on the P area, and then go to the secondary. So on the secondary, hopefully the market is going back to very good. The monitor on that piece of here, and piece of the weekly. Hopefully go back up and strong and break that area. Um, yeah, I think the hardest part is it should be the owner of it, but the thing is, like, who is really playing the market on it, because it's been, I'm afraid with this guy, and then there's either they're doing the range. So from there, yeah, that's basically it for my trading area. Um, and also once I start from 1 hour and everything was moved down, right? And I broke out. and now it broke out. So basically it's a 4 hours right now. So I was positioned more in the 15 minutes of the time frame to come and check, and from there, yeah. So 15 minutes in the time frame. So far it is the 4 hours. It is the owner moving it. So hopefully, owner of the 4 hour go back down and move back up here and break it. Break it or either form something in it. Yeah, that's basically my PA of the day for Microsoft, and there's more PA that I want to post. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any feedback or anything of this pair that I can improve, and I'm willing to improve it, and just hopefully there is no confusion from my standpoint. And I appreciate if you read pre-analysis on my pairs of Microsoft, and I could really open eyes for me, and I'm here to improve. Yeah, there you go. That's all. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.